I'm looking at the ACS 180 drive, one of the new additions to the ABB range. It replaces the old ACS 150. They're all fitted keypads, and to make things easier, we've now made it so that you can use the standard keypad. Right, so moving along from the PLCs and motors drives, we have then offering from electrification. Here you'd see standard range of contactors, overloads, soft starts, right? Isolation switches, and all the other bits that allow you to connect the bits together and give you a complete ABB solution. Thank you.
So yeah, this is one of the services we offer. Any large generator machine which has got an air gap between the stator and the rotor of more than 12 millimeters, and we can put this camera down, which takes up the profile of the stator, and these little tracks here allow the device to go up and down the full length of the core, so we can examine the internal condition of the generator windings and rotor without having to remove the rotor, which is a very risky procedure.
What have we got here?
Okay, so this is our Powertrain portal rig, so it's essentially drive condition monitoring, so you're able to understand the health of the drive, the individual components, how they're aging, how the environment is affecting the health, how the application is affecting the health, a steady application with a steady speed and steady current, and it's a cycle of load, and that will actually affect how the IDBs are rated in there. And with the analytics and the hardware we have, we're able to understand that and send a message to the customer to let them know how everything's going on. Everything ties into our digital Powertrain portal. For quality products, this is the Hitachi Energy. You can operate with 40 amps, 20 amps, all the way up to 400 amps. Switch off the harmonics that are generated from non-linear load. Then on the left here we have our factor correction solution. This is a shelf that normally is sold to OEMs. You can have it standard or with series. One mounted up to 100 kVA, and for the kVA freestanding in one cubicle, that's for start and bridge. And you can also have it as with tunes, where you have the harmonics in the system. So you have your shelf with the reactors for the sending to the OEM, as well as having a standalone automatically switched to back.